All right, what's going on, guys? So I want to talk about why you should be raising your prices, and why you should never be afraid to raise your prices. So the biggest thing with this is like you need to really look at your conversion rate. This is a client that I work with. I'm not going to move up closer to the screen just because of privacy reasons, but um, we run this offer. It's a subscription model. We were originally running it at $47 a month. Now we're running it at $97. So most people are afraid to jump that much because they think that they're not able to convert anybody, but you have to do the numbers. Okay, so this offer was originally, converting at, I would say, probably around, 19%. So if we go to funnels, we can see the stats, and basically before, which if we go to last month, or we can go to January actually, because that's where we were running a lot of ad spend. It was back in January. So if we go to January 31st and we apply, we can then see the conversion rate, and basically we were getting, we were converting about 19% of people, which is one of the highest converting things I've ran in a while. The upsell take rate could be higher, but just for this video purpose, I want to just really stress to you why it's very important for you to not be afraid to up your prices and why that math makes sense. So if people are coming in at 19%, if they come in at, let's say 19%, they come in at 10%, you're still making more money. You're making 1% extra money because you doubled the price. Our conversion rate only dropped 3%. So now he's going to make 60% more money just because he upped the price. And the reason why this works is because when you have an offer that has a lot of data, you can up your prices as long as you have enough social proof, your copy's good. Obviously, not all subscription models can be double price, but it depends on what the value of that product is to the actual, customer. So just keep that in mind. Like, I know a lot of people right now who run subscription offers and just digital products or whatever the case may be, courses, and they're afraid to up their price. If you have a $197 course that converts at 3% and you take the price of that and you take it to $297 and you convert it maybe, 2.3, 2.4%, you're going to make more money. So never be afraid to raise your prices because you're going to make more money. Also, you're going to be attracting more high quality people who will give you a lower churn rate. So keep that in mind. Really want to show you these practical numbers. And thanks, guys, again, and I'll talk to you in the next video.